Hey, good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, everybody. Let's quickly look into the markets. Let's quickly look into the markets today. This is gonna be a quick update in terms of what's going on, and I'm gonna make it short. Now, obviously, we are in the NFP week. It's not a good week at all for me. But we are looking to be very profitable, at least by today or tomorrow. Looking at how the market is still setting up itself. But Euro USD has been one of those trades which I've been looking at for quite some time. This trade took me out yesterday. Yeah, because of good risk management as well, so I was in the good space. I didn't lose much, so Euro USD took me out, and that's fine. GBP USD is still within zone. It's actually in the perfect zone for sellers still, and I'm looking to see this market falling all the way down, over the next couple of hours, if not by tomorrow during the NFP. So I'm still optimistic on this trade, and we might see markets, let me just show you quickly. We might see markets pushing further down towards the downside over the next couple of hours, on this particular setup. Okay, cool. Now I'm still holding my sales here on GBP USD. But I'm also looking at some other trades as well. I'm not looking at gold. Nothing is going on there for me. Nothing is good, as I mentioned before. We had a trade, I think, last week or this week, where I got taken out by the market as well. You must understand that the NFP week can be very, very tough, as markets prepare for the job for the job release in the US, especially the jobless claims, the non-farm payrolls, new jobs created, and all those things. Yeah. So that's very important. Now, NZUSD, I'm still looking to see nothing actually, and nothing is on NZUSD so far. KJPY, I spoke about buying this particular setup yesterday, exactly at the 78.6. Market did move a little bit after bouncing at the 78.6, but went straight towards the 100% retracement ratio. Now, what can I expect over the next couple of hours? Now, the stop loss that I had mentioned has not been triggered, meaning that we are still within the trade. I'm still gonna hold until this trade show me that it actually is gonna, change or go down straight. So the reason why I'm still holding is because I'm still within range in terms of my stop loss and take profit. I'm still within range, so I'm comfortable. And then CAT CHF, I had spoken about a sell yesterday, I think 2 days ago. This particular setup is still moving or ranging within this structure over here. Now, the range can also be because of the non-farm payrolls that we are expecting over the next couple of, let me just say, over the next couple of hours, right? Okay, then let's look at others. ADCHF as well is one of those where I had taken a trade on or a sell on this particular setup. I had a stop loss. It got taken out on a stop loss as well. And then the market went straight for my sell limit order, which I also had yesterday. My figures haven't changed. You can just look into my previous video if you want to be sure on how am I looking at this trade. Yes, the sell limit order was triggered yesterday, and what I was looking at was to say that this market is going to push at this level and change direction from there all the way to the downside. Now, my stop loss is quite a bit tight, especially looking at the previous weeks here. But what we can do as well is to put your stop loss just above this level over here. And I believe that level is going to be somewhere around the, or let me just say, the 0.58703 mark. That's the level that I'm looking at, right? And then the Nasdaq 100, this trade didn't disappoint yesterday. Well, I didn't speak to you about this trade, guys, yesterday, but for those of you who are trading with me know that I did take some time. Actually, I didn't post, but I did take some time to trade this market, especially with Dumelo. I didn't want to post about it because I was skeptical of the move. It was the strays, but um, what ended up happening is that we sold at the 50% level, and then I took out my take profit just here at this level before the market bounced all the way up towards the top side. Now in the last couple of minutes, I've also taken a small trade as well on NAS 100, just to catch a small move towards the downside just before the market continued towards that level where I'm looking to sell NAS 100. NAS 100, I'm expecting to sell at that level, all the way down to this point here. So what can we do here? We can set up a sell limit order. Yes, I do have this trade which is going on, but let us set up a sell limit order for what's going on over here, right? A sell limit order is going to be um, so the sell limit order is going to be at 18,254.3. And then I'm going to have my stops just above this level, which is going to be around let me just put 18,900 for now. I'm going to modify this quickly. Okay, cool. Yep. Let me quickly set up my take profit as well on this one. I want to take my profits all the way down at the 17467. So it's 174 67. Yeah. So this is where I'm looking to take this trade. But I want to confirm something. Actually, I've got a couple of trades going on here. My stop loss, let me just decrease it a bit. Or let me just lower my stop loss here. It's quite a big one now. Okay. So my stop loss has changed a bit. I know it's kind of busy at the moment, but let me just share with you my take profit and stop loss on this particular setup here. Um, on NAS 100, my sell limit is at 182 54.3. Stop loss at 183.54.2. Take profit at 174.67.3. That is where I'm looking to take this market all the way down, right? Okay, cool. And then let's look at the Dow Jones. Now the Dow Jones, which is also the US 30. Okay, the Dow Jones, which is also the US 30, is going to be uh basically what had happened here is I've had multiple trades, and yesterday I missed my buy limits just around this zone, but it's fine. Is there any other opportunity? Certainly, yes. I do have other things that I'm looking at on this particular chart here. Let's see on a 1 hour time frame first before I move on. Yeah, on the 1 hour time frame, I'm looking to sell this particular chart. Uh, I'm putting a sell limit order on US 30 with a stop loss just above the structure. I'm gonna put a tight stop loss, right? 38,978. 38,978. And then my take profit at My take profit at 38,470. 38,470. Okay, cool. Yeah, not a big trade, but it can be some sort of good if it does make if we do make a killing on this trade. Yeah. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's what's going on right now in the market. I will see you guys on the other side of the withdrawals. Please trade with caution. Tomorrow is the non-farm payrolls. I will see you on the other side of the withdrawals. Shalom.